What we love about SunPower is how they've taken a proactive approach in working with contractors and understanding what drives us. My name is Edwin Perkins, Vice President of Solar, Pre-Construction and Business Development for Moss's Solar Group. The SunPower Oasis system has revolutionized the installation of our solar projects. No other manufacturer offers a complete package of panels, tracker, in-house engineering, operations and maintenance, and energy modeling. SunPower is the most trusted name in solar.
We've worked with our EPC partners to design for construction improvements. We have lessons learned meetings to get feedback from the field crews, not the foremen, but the field crews, the people on the ground doing the work. I'm Katie Brown, a technical program manager at SunPower. This new tracker platform is really about putting more watts per pound of steel on a tracker. We've got 65% fewer foundations, which for an EPC customer is critical because it increases installation efficiency and time. Our laser alignment occurs at a single step. As soon as your piles are in the ground, set your alignment, and that's the last time you'll think about it. The Oasis system incorporates a new DC collection platform. We now use plug-and-play technology, which reduces labor costs in the field and improves safety. Each of our trackers has a single controller directly powered by the PV on that tracker. This is a huge benefit because we're no longer running power from each of the inverters back to the tracker. We now have fewer trenches and fewer conductors. From a design integration standpoint, the Oasis tracker is this perfect match between mechanical and electrical design.
SunPower Oasis system has really revolutionized the solar industry. I'm Tony Bacigalupi, Superintendent with Moss & Associates. The biggest advantage I've seen with the module clips is there's no tooling that has to go with it, no hoses, no power. Those are all gone with having a simple clip. Very simple to install. Line up your slots with your MIBs and push the clip in, all four, and you're moving on to the next one. And you can pull someone from any group, any team out here if you need to increase your productivity and train them within minutes. The electrical is one of the best I've seen. The inline fuses are a great attribute to the system, make it very easy to install. Less parts to have to deal with, quicker install times, easier logistics. It's been a great experience working with the SunPower team. Great people to work with, friendly, always there to be willing to lend a hand.
With Oasis, SunPower has created a tracker that is reliable, high performance, and very simple. These three factors together make for a very competitive cost of energy. My name is Cobb. I'm the Senior Product Manager of the Oasis Power Plant product. Because of the unique shape of the Oasis tracker, we're able to make more efficient use of the land at a power plant site. For the same amount of area, we can fit more power with an Oasis tracker. SunPower has a great legacy of tracking systems, and this is our best one yet.